It's a matter of great satisfaction that even in this lockdown period, teachers from Arya College Ludhiana have contributed a lot for our students. Whether we talk about their online lectures, about their mental health, about exploring very useful online training programs for them, they have searched every nook and corner to work for the growth of our students. According to recent news, our Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi has decided to usher in education reforms and to create a vibrant knowledge society and making India a global knowledge superpower. He has advised the educational institutions for the extensive use of technology and for the promotion of artificial intelligence. On the same tune, our dedicated teachers are working as a team and providing online study material to the fullest satisfaction of our students. Jai Hind.
Namaskar, dear students. Arya College faculty is always with you all in this tough time of lockdown. We as mentors are trying to stay in touch with you all as a team. Commerce Department is constantly sending PDF files, audio-video clips, PPTs and YouTube links to the students. Hope our extended help is a support to you all. Together we can and we will overcome this difficult time. Stay alert, stay safe. Thank you. Jai Hind.
Hello everyone. I, on behalf of MCOM final year student, would like to share something with you all. As we all are aware of the fact that RNs are always committed to highest standards of education and thoughtful consideration and ideas, and so do our teachers. Our teachers are working very hard in this tough lockdown period. They are burning midnight oil. Trust me, they left no stone unturned for the betterment of us. In this tough lockdown period, they came out with a solution, and that solution is e-learning. Yes, you heard it correct. Our teachers are delivering us online video lectures, PDF, live discussion, e-tutorials, and many online related concepts are being delivered to us constantly on our WhatsApp groups, which are being created by our teachers. The topics and assignments are very relevant to our professional development. Through voice messages, the instructor sends many illustrations and examples which helps us to understand our course related syllabus very easily. Though the teachers are available for the individual doubts, discussions and queries of students are being resolved as soon as possible. Such a perseverance shown by our teachers is leading us as a student a positive attitude towards our syllabus workloads, outcome and available or assigned resources. At last, I would like to thank all my teachers for working so hard for us. Thank you.
I am Meha Mago, student of BCom first year. I know this has been quite a tough time, but even in this tough time, my belief that Arya College is the best college in Ludhiana has grown stronger and stronger every day. The reason that even in this period, we are not in a lockdown as far as our studies are concerned. We are receiving regular notes, assignments, lectures, homework, and moreover, a good motivation by our teachers. So I would like to extend my heartfelt gratitude to our college, our respected ma'am principal, Dr. Savita Uppalji, Dr. Shailza Anand, head of the department Commerce and Business Management, and all the teachers, gurus who are really concerned about us and our studies even in this crucial time. So thank you, Arya College. Thank you so much.
Through this video, I am going to thank my teachers जिन्होंने ये इनिशिएटिव लिया हमें अपना सिलेबस घर बैठे कंप्लीट करवाने का, क्योंकि हम इस पीरियड में कॉलेज तो नहीं जा सकते, बट उन्होंने फिर भी हमें अपना सिलेबस कंप्लीट करवाने के लिए हमें एक इनिशिएटिव लिया व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप्स के ज़रिए और जूम क्लासेस के ज़रिए, फ़ेस टू फेस ऑनलाइन इंटरेक्शन के ज़रिए, कि जो भी हमारे डाउट्स हों, जो भी हमारी क्वायरीज़ हों, उन्होंने वो सोल्व की। और ना सिर्फ उन्होंने हमें ऑनलाइन मीडिया के थ्रू, बल्कि जब हमें कोई डाउट होता था तो हम उनको कॉल भी कर लेते थे, और जो भी हमें कोई प्रॉब्लम होती थी वो हमें उसी वक्त उसका आंसर दे देते थे। कि ये उनके पार्ट पे बहुत बड़ी हमारे लिए हेल्प थी, क्योंकि इस पीरियड में हमारे लिए भी क्योंकि लास्ट ईयर के स्टूडेंट्स हैं, तो हमारे लिए भी ये सोचना टफ था, ये दिमाग में बातें चल रही थी कि हमारा जो सिलेबस है वो कैसे ख़त्म होगा। बट हमारी टीचर्स ने हमारा इतना साथ दिया इस बात में कि जो भी उनसे बन पड़ता था उन्होंने किया, और मैं जितना भी उनका इस बार में थैंक यू बोलूँ उतना कम है। मैं अपने कॉलेज को भी थैंक्स बोलता हूँ कि उन्होंने ये इनिशिएटिव लिया कि हम अपना सिलेबस अपने टाइम पे कंप्लीट कर सकें और अपने एग्ज़ाम्स में अच्छी तरह परफॉर्म कर सकें।
Spread of pandemic of COVID-19 has locked down all of us in our homes, but it does not let us lock down our studies. It's a common saying, where there is a will, there is a way, which has been proved by the Zoom application, which has not only brought our classes to our phones, but has also helped to be connected with our teachers and friends. It has also lessened the burden of the teachers to complete the syllabus so rapidly, as here we are with a lot of time and not just the 40 minutes of the class. We can record the lectures on Zoom application and view them according to our needs. Besides this, it's a pray to God. We want to use phones in our classes and not view the classes on our phones. Hope everything will be fine soon.
Hello friends, as we all know that we are going through a very difficult time due to spread of coronavirus, जिसने काफ़ी चीज़ों को अफेक्ट किया है और हमारी स्टडीज़ भी इसमें से एक है। बट आर्या कॉलेज इसमें हमारे साथ बहुत ज़्यादा कोऑपरेट कर रहा है। वो अपने स्टूडेंट्स के लिए हर एक चीज़ कर रहा है ताकि उनके स्टूडेंट्स को किसी भी चीज़ की कोई प्रॉब्लम ना आए। इसी वजह से उन्होंने अपने ऑनलाइन लेक्चर्स लेने स्टार्ट कर दिए हैं और स्टूडेंट्स को ये भी अपॉर्चुनिटी दी है कि अगर हमें कुछ नहीं समझ आ रहा तो हम टीचर्स को कॉल कर सकते हैं या फिर टेक्स्ट कर सकते हैं। हमें रोज़ थ्रू पीपीटी असाइनमेंट्स आ रही हैं। हमसे ये भी स्पेशल पूछा जाता है कि अगर आपको कोई नहीं समझ आ रहा तो यू कैन कॉल मी इन एनी केस। सो थैंक यू आर्या कॉलेज।
As we all know that there is a lockdown in the whole nation due to COVID-19 infection. This infection also affected our studies in the starting, but our Arya College came with a solution of online teaching, in which our teachers provide us various notes and audio videos, which are very helpful to us. In this way, they completed our whole syllabus, and even they are taking our queries. We can call them whenever we want. So thank you to our
Thank you so
college.
much teachers. You proved that everything is possible. इस लॉकडाउन पीरियड में भी आपने हमें इतने अच्छे से टीच किया, हमारी स्टडी से रिलेटेड सारी प्रॉब्लम्स को सॉल्व किया और इसके साथ साथ हमें मोटिवेट किया अपनी फैमिली के साथ वैल्यूएबल टाइम स्पेंड करने के लिए और अपनी हॉबीज़ को परस्यू करने के लिए और इस टाइम को बेस्ट यूटिलाइज करने के लिए। थैंक यू सो मच टीचर्स फॉर शेयरिंग योर प्रीशियस टाइम विद
पता है कि लॉकडाउन हुआ था तो हम अपने घर से बाहर नहीं निकल सकते थे, ना ही कॉलेज जाके लेक्चर्स लगा सकते थे, तो हमारी पढ़ाई का क्या होगा। तो हमारे कॉलेज वालों ने और हमारे टीचर्स ने बहुत अच्छा इनिशिएटिव लिया कि वो कॉलेज को लेक्चर्स को हमारे घर ले आए और ऑनलाइन रहकर 24/7 अवेलेबल रहकर जूम ऐप थ्रू उन्होंने हमारे लेक्चर्स लिए, हमारे डाउट सेशंस क्लियर किए एक कॉल के थ्रू, और साथ ही साथ हमारे ऑनलाइन प्रोजेक्ट सबमिशंस भी हुए और हमारे ऑलमोस्ट सभी सब्जेक्ट्स के रिवीजन भी हो चुके हैं। तो इससे हमारे कॉलेज ने, हमारे टीचर्स ने ये प्रूव किए कि कुछ भी हो जाए द एजुकेशन मस्ट गो ऑन। आई जस्ट वांट टू से थैंक यू टू माय टीचर्स एंड टू माय कॉलेज।
लॉकडाउन का पीरियड है, कॉलेजेस भी सारे बंद हैं, बट पढ़ाई बंद नहीं हुई। इसका प्रूफ है हमारा आर्या कॉलेज। टीचर्स देखो ना, टीचर्स हमारे साथ कांस्टेंट टच में है। व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप देख लो या कोई भी ऐप देख लो, 24/7 कभी भी टीचर्स को डाउट पूछ लो, वो इमीडिएटली आपको आंसर करेंगे। टीचर्स हमारे से ज्यादा कंसर्न है कि बच्चों का डाउट ना रह जाए, and this is the most positive portion of this.
First of all, I would say thank you to my Arya College, as we all know that the classes has been suspended till the further instructions. Due to this, we are lacking behind in our studies, but our teachers and our mentors and we can study at our home as they are making live video sessions, PowerPoint presentations, and voice recording for each topic, which is very beneficial for us. Thank you, Principal Ma'am and
Hi
teachers.
everyone, I am Gautam of RA College, Ludhiana. As due to COVID-19 pandemic, whole nation is in state of lockdown, resulting in colleges being closed, but our studies have remained unaffected, and I am very grateful towards our Principal Ma'am, Dr. Savita Pal Ma'am, and our teachers for taking such a sweeping initiative towards the implementation of online classes. Under the guidance of my teachers only, this lockdown studies have become more fruitful and convenient by creating a perfect interactive environment for great learning at home. Our PG Department of Commerce and Management has come with innovative ideas and tools which creates a realistic and interactive sessions with proper explanation and demonstrations of lectures. And not only this, teachers share notes and students can ask their doubts at any point of time. Plus, teachers also share various YouTube links which creates a depth learning at comfort of our home. This has become a great success only by the hand and can score high marks in exams. Until then, stay home, stay safe. Thank you.